So welcome back to my channel. So today in my video I'm gonna tell you effective way of practice. So today I would like to tell you everything. Okay, so firstly, you know very well my name is Rajni and I am from Himachal Pradesh. As well, I am learner like you, so that's why I decided I should make the video for you. Okay, so before starting the video I would like to tell you my name is Rajni. As you know very well, I am from Himachal Pradesh. As well, I am YouTuber and my channel name is English with Rajni Devi. So yeah, that's about me. So please, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So without wasting the time, let's jump into the video. So as I told you, I would like to tell you about effective way of practice. Okay, actually every learners want to learn English, but they don't know how to learn English. They don't know some step with the help of you can improve your communication skill. So then I decided I should tell you. Okay, so firstly I would like to tell you one thing: practice regularly. Even if you have small knowledge about the speaking English, it doesn't matter. You have to speak. You have to speak as well. You have to have the practice continuously, because nowadays having the practice is very easiest part to speak. Every persons have the mobile phone, and in the mobile phone there are so many platform. So with the help of you can have the practice continuously. So firstly you have to practice. Don't skip even single day for your practice. So do have the practice. And another things I would like to tell you, you know, a reading part is the most important of speaking. uh, Even I am not a lover of reading, but uh, even though I am telling to you, you should read more much. Okay, because while reading you can grab lots of English new structures as well vocabulary. So with the help of you can grab lots of vocabulary, even lots of new structures. You with the help of you can use in your conversation. Okay, and another things I would like to tell you: watching. Okay, watching is the very important and vital and essential part of speaking. Okay, so why watching, why consuming, you can learn lots of things. Even if I talk about myself, so I watch lots of videos as well. I watch podcast. I watch some English contents videos. You know, while watching, you can grab lots of sentence as well some vocabulary words. Okay, so yeah, that's a very good thing to improve your communication skill. While watching, you can improve definitely. If I talk about myself, only I am watching as well speaking. Okay, I am watching and speaking for my spoken English. So mostly when I get the free time, so most I prefer watching lots of video. So that's why I'm telling to you, watching is a very important. And another things like vocabulary expand. Okay, because without vocabulary you can't make the English structures. Okay, so vocabulary is the very important. When you have the strong vocabulary, so you can make lots of vocabulary, lots of sorry, English structure. So that's why vocabulary is also important. And another things, confidence. Confidence though is very important. Without confidence you can't speak English. So that's why confidence is very important. Like whether you are making the mistake or not, it doesn't matter. A matter is only here to how you are expressing your point of view in English. That's it. And without without lack of confidence. You should try to express your point. Sometimes we get the underconfidence, because sometimes I try to speak with other person, and then I try to think, I think this time I am not perfect and other persons are very perfect than me, so definitely I am making the mistake. So please don't think, okay? Every persons are not perfect in this era, okay? Every persons are making the mistake, even they are the native speakers or non-native speakers. Every persons are making the mistake, so please let it be, okay? So only with the confident person, okay? So yeah, that's my point, and you should apply all the point in your conversation, so definitely you will be perfect. Believe me, I am improving my communication skill with the help of those techniques, those ways. So that's why I decided I should tell you everything. So once again, I am telling to you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. So thank you. Bye bye.